Hi friends, I'm gonna draw a mandala with you this morning. A mandala, you probably already know, is like a circular shape and it kind of grows from the inside out. They're all gonna look different and that's cool. It can be a thing to look at when you're meditating, and for me it's meditative to actually do it. It can be calming. So I'm gonna take my marker and just start in the middle with a circle. You don't have to do it exactly like me. In fact, it'll be more fun probably if you don't. And then I'm just gonna go around the circle with other shapes that go all the way around. And then just continue whatever circular outer growing lines feel like that's what you want to have come next. And it'll just keep growing off of the pattern that you do underneath in the middle. It's not going to be perfectly symmetrical because we're drawing it by hand, and that's fine. Now, I would say don't think too much because it'll just get in the way. Just let your hand do what it wants to do. Let's see, what's next? Some dots. Here comes Max. Hi, Max. My cat likes to draw with me. Excuse me. Pardon me. You can do anything, lines, dots. Then these are fun to color later, if you feel like it. Excuse me, Max. Still working here. Some of mine have more or less space in between, so I adjust it as I'm going around. Can't make as many little squigglies on every single one. But see how that's turning out? And you might want to draw a big circle around it at the end, or you might not want to. And what's really the end? Because you could just keep going and going and going until you run out of paper, I guess. But you could always tape more paper together, couldn't you? So you see how it's going here? You can do anything you want. And then I might even go back in and do more on the inside. I'm going sort of quickly because I want to show it to you and not make the video 2 hours long. But I think that the more slowly and maybe with nice music playing, the more relaxing it is. So there's my morning mandala. I would love to see yours. I sure love you guys. Have an excellent day.